Hello everyone! Today we'll explore how to install Docker on Ubuntu or Debian. Docker is a powerful platform that allows you to package and deploy applications quickly and flexibly, making it great for both development and production environments. First, open the terminal window to begin running the installation. Before installing, update your package repositories to make sure the system is using the latest package sources. Next, we'll install the required packages so we can add Docker's repository to the system. Next, we will create a directory to store Docker's authentication keys, ensuring the system can trust its source. Next, we will download Docker's official GPG key and save it to the keyring folder so the system can verify package integrity. Then we will add Docker's repository to the system's package sources, allowing us to install the latest Docker version. After adding the Docker repository to the system sources, we'll update the package list so the system can recognize the newly added packages. Finally, we will install Docker along with its related tools, including Docker CLI and Docker Compose. The installation process may take a few minutes, so just wait until it's complete. Once the installation is complete, we will check the installed Docker version to make sure everything is working properly. You'll see the Docker version displayed on the screen, which confirms that Docker has been successfully installed and is ready to use. Now we'll enable and start the Docker service so that the system is always ready to run containers whenever needed. Next, we'll check the status of the Docker service. If the status shows active, it means Docker is running properly and ready to use. To check the running containers, you can use the docker ps command to see the list of containers currently on your system. In this case, since we just installed Docker, there won't be any running containers yet. Now we'll run a container to test it right now. Now run the command again. You'll see the list of containers displayed. However, since this information is displayed in command line format, it can be a bit difficult to monitor and manage your containers. In the next video, we'll install Portainer to manage Docker through an intuitive and user-friendly web interface. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.